welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and I'm back with another video. Today's video is me showing you guys how I did these clip-ins. Look, the hair is so bomb. You can't even tell I have clip-ins. You would think I have just a nice leave out, a traditional leave out, but no, it's clip-ins and it's given 18 inches of beautifulness, okay? Is beautifulness a word? I don't think so, but it is today. It's giving 18 inches of beautifulness, okay? Yes, it's giving. It's giving. So guys, if you would like to see how I did these clip-ins and how I blended my hair in with these clip-ins, continue watching. If you haven't already, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up. You already know, like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, let's get into this video. Boop. Alright guys, so I have a silk press that I got, what's today, Tuesday? 2 weeks ago, right? Last week? No. A week or two ago, I don't remember. So, my hair's already straightened. I'm just going to straighten it a little as I go because I did have my hair in a ponytail. Because this Atlanta weather is violating me. Like, my left side of my hair tends to puff up. And sorry if there's an echo because I'm in the bathroom and I have the door closed. But yeah, my left side be puffing up on me because I have no chemicals in my hair. So we're going to try these tape-ins. I got them from the beauty supply store. I don't remember the freaking name of them. And that makes me mad. But I'm going to try to find it and I'm going to leave the link down below. Because I thought I took a picture of it in my phone, but I'll find it. And everything will be down below in the description box. So yes, so each clip is 9 pieces and like each piece comes with, I think it's 2 4 clips, 3 clips, 2 clips, and then there's 2 1 clips or something like that. So we're gonna put it throughout my whole head and I'm probably gonna do a middle part, but I'll let you guys see how I do it. So let's see how this turns out because it is my first time trying it and I hope it comes out good because this will be my new thing, okay? So alright, so I have, whoa, heat protectant, my clips, comb, flat iron. So let's get to work. I'm not going to talk through the whole process, but I will like section off pieces and put the clips in different parts. So just watch.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should make a move on. And if I don't let you know, then I won't be for real. I could be wrong, but I feel like something could be going on. The more I see it, the more that it becomes so true. There ain't no other for me, it's only you. I wanna be down with what you go. I wanna be down. No matter the time of day and night, it's wanna be down. Wanna be
Yo, hear me out. Anybody do that dance and nasty up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. From you see me a cleanest. Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching-ching. Inna the Louis V vest. Girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Tryna blow a breeze for the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease up.
Okay, guys, we are done. Wait. Put my lip gloss on. My hair came out so good. I am so happy because I got to take some pictures from my website because my website is launching April 1st. This video will be posted before that date, so make sure you click on the link below and do some shopping with us on April 1st. We will have lashes, lip glosses, body butter, a whole bunch of things that you will love, okay? And these are one of the lashes that I will have on my website. These are called Pink Dusk. It has the hint of pink on the ends, and these are 20 mm, nice and fluffy, nice and fluffy, beautiful. This is one of my lash glue pens. I have a variety, like 4 different kinds. I have some that are clear and some that are black. So those will be on the website, but these lashes are giving. Do you see that pink? They're so cute. First, I was scared to put them on because I'm like, it's colored, but these are bomb. And then this is my lip gloss. It's Naked. It's a nude. So this is one of my lip glosses. And it will pair perfect with the lip pencils that I will have on my site. I have a nude pencil, brown, and a pink. And my lip gloss colors are this. I have this nude, clear, a pinkish color, and chocolate color. Okay, so yes, make sure you pick that up. But look at how smooth this lip gloss goes on. Hold on. Do you see that? Like, you don't even have to put it on the top if you don't want to. Like, you can just put it on the bottom and you're good to go. Look. And that's with no lip liner, okay? You see it. It's giving. It's giving moisturized lips, nude, summer, spring, fall, winter. It's giving. Like, give me kiss. So yes, this will be on my website. Be sure to check that out. I will leave my Instagram down below, my TikTok, all of the above. But guys, look at these clip-ins. It looks like I have a regular weave, okay? Because I'm not gonna say it looks like my natural hair because my natural hair is not this damn straight, okay? And it's not this long. So it looks like I have a nice ass leave out that blended very well, like 18 inches, and it's given. It comes down to my boobs, and look, you just brush it and you go about your damn business. Boom. Who gonna check us about our clip-ins? Nobody. And it doesn't even take that long. It probably took like 20 minutes, 30 minutes top to do because you have to section your hair. You want to make sure your real hair is flat ironed and the clip-ins is flat ironed once you put it on because you need it to blend in very well. And look, it did. Perfect. I like it. I'm going to take some pictures from my website and from my Instagram. And I'm all set. I'm all done. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check out all the links down below in the description box. Until next time, you already know. Be safe, be blessed, be healthy. And make sure you subscribe to my channel. And make sure you come shop with me on April 1st. Yes, it's April Fool's Day, but we ain't playing no games. And I will have a launch day discount. So who doesn't want to save coins? So I hope to see you guys there. Peace.